In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change passenger name for a Ryanair flight. If you need to correct or update the passenger name connected to your Ryanair booking, this process is fairly simple when you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, go to the official Ryanair website. It's always best to use the airline's direct website so you can access the correct booking tools and make changes securely. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to look over the top navigation menu. From there, click on My Bookings. This section is where Ryanair keeps the options related to upcoming trips, reservation details, and account-linked travel information. If you're not already signed in, you may need to access your account before continuing. Next, click on Pico Account. This will take you into your Ryanair account area where your personal details and profile information can be managed. Make sure you're in the correct account, especially if you've booked more than one trip or have used different login details in the past. That can help prevent changes from being made in the wrong place. Once you're inside your account, find the section showing your first name and surname. You should see an edit option next to those details. Click Edit to open the name fields. This is the area where you can update the passenger name information. Now, change your name as needed. Be careful when typing here and make sure the name matches your travel document exactly, including spelling. Even a small mistake can sometimes create issues later during check-in or boarding, so it's a good idea to double-check everything before moving on. After you've made the correction, click Save. This will apply the update to your account information. Once saved, review the updated detail on the screen to make sure the change went through correctly. As a helpful tip, after saving the new name, it's worth checking your booking details again to confirm everything appears the way you expect. If the site shows any warnings, extra conditions, or fees related to the change, read those carefully before finishing. Airline name changes can sometimes be treated differently depending on the type of correction being made. And that's it. That's how to change the passenger name for a Ryanair flight through the Ryanair website. Follow each step carefully. Take your time when entering the updated name, and you should be able to complete the change smoothly.